How to clean up Gmail inbox. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To clean up Gmail inbox, open Gmail. Now here you will see bunch of emails. So the only way to clean up Gmail inbox is by deleting the emails. So to delete them, simply click on the mail, hold on it for a few seconds. Now select all the mail that you want to delete. Here I will be selecting these. After selecting the mails, click on the delete icon located on top of your screen. To delete more unnecessary mail, you can see this promotion icon. Click on that. Now simply repeat the same process. Hold on any of the mail for a few seconds. Now click on select all. And then click on delete. So repeat this process for a few times until you delete all the mails. By doing this, you will be successfully able to clean up inbox in Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.